Ang susunod na programa ay rated G.
Good morning. So today we're going to discuss about cost control in food service operations. So ito yung ating first lesson. So I will be dividing this lesson into video into 5 parts para mas maikli lang siya and may upload natin sa ating group. So this is the first video. So yung ating first lesson is about cost control in food service operations. So for the objectives, this or for the contents ng video na to, we'll be talking about the nature of cost control, purpose of cost control, objectives, steps, and sequence or ano ba yung mga flow of control in a food service business or food service operation. So sabi nga dito, no, sa nature, so the key to a successful restaurant, as anyone could probably tell, is of course having a good food, excellent service, and a great location. So itong mga factors na to will contribute for a high or to high sales number. So however, restaurants operate on tight margins. So the sale of your restaurant must be enough to cover all your other expenses. So dapat mag-generate ng yan so that yung restaurant can generate a decent profit. So any businessman naman would be always be looking to have a good return on their investment, and that can only be reached naman through profitable operation. So dito pumapasok yung ating lesson na food and beverage control. So paano ba siya nakakatulong para ma-reach itong tinatawag natin na profitable operation. So it is not enough to merely provide outstanding products and services in the food service industry. So dapat managers must also create and maintain profitable food service operation. Simply put, yung driving revenue while controlling expenses. So, a restaurant operations may experience a good patronage but with little or no profit because of cost of operations is not controlled. So, dapat yung to become an effective manager, so dapat may kakayahan siya na i-manage and control yung all various operating expenses ng isang food service operation, no? So that in the end, the goal is typically naman to make a profit. So para maabot niya to. So food and beverage expense combined, ito yung may pinakamalaking cut or may pinakamalaking expense na category sa isang food service operation. So business loss is not only due to low income but also due to uncontrolled expenses. So sabi ko nga, whether you are your restaurant have a good service, excellent food, or excellent service and good food, tas nasa location kayo na maganda, na may magandang market, but nag-ooperate kayo with a high expense, so yung end goal natin, which is to gain profit, hindi rin natin possible na ma-reach. So dapat we need to control yung expenses din na tinatawag. So as the discussion goes, malalaman natin ano ba yung importance of food cost control or yung tinatawag na food and beverage cost control sa isang food service business. So the basic formula for profit is yung profit is equals to total revenue less total cost. Yung total revenue or yung total sales natin less yung total cost. So in the most basic term, revenue daw is yung money brought in the operation, also known as sales. So yung expenses naman, these are cost of doing your business. So it is your paid, ito yung binabayad natin o ito yung ginagastos ng business natin for us to operate. Yung bayad natin sa suppliers, sa government, which is yung taxes, landlord or yung rental fees natin. So, yun yung tinutukoy natin dito na cost. So, according to this formula, no, increasing sales is not the only way to increase profit. So, kung mapapansin natin, so dapat pala malakas talaga ang sales for us to earn or to gain profit. So, you can increase your profit margin by also decreasing your cost as well. So, especially yung food and beverage cost kasi ito nga yung may pinakamalaking cut o yung may pinakamalaking expense ng isang business, especially yung restaurant nga. So, dito pumapasok si food and beverage control. So, for us to lessen yung tinatawag natin na food and beverage cost, we need to control these expenses or yung cost. So, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng food and beverage? So, pag sinabi lang naman natin, so as a backgrounder, no? So, food and beverage control essentially means controlling the behavior of people in the process responsible for the expenses. Ibig sabihin, it is a control na ginagawa ni manager para ma-regulate or ma-direct and ma-restrain yung action ng mga tao na nag-ooperate ng isang business para ma-control. So, ang ibig sabihin lang naman ito, no, controlling yung operations from the start, ibig sabihin, mula dun sa pag-order ng ating mga supplies na gagamitin, sa pag-receive nito, sa pag-store natin ito, sa issue sa mga requests, then sa production, which is yung sa kitchen especially, then up dun sa service or yung sa sales mismo. So we need to put a control dito sa mga areas na to so that we can lessen or we can minimize yung tinatawag natin na excess consumption or yung waste natin. So dun sa bagay na yun, makokontrol natin yung cost. Yan. So moving on. So pag-usapan natin itong dalawa na to.